Dozens of Oklahomans hit by a tornado earlier this month are a major step closer to getting back to life as usual.
Debris collection began today, and News 4's Sydney Batzlaff found out there are new guidelines for what items city crews will pick up for you.
At first, the city said it would only be picking up tree limbs, but now guidelines have been expanded to include building materials, bringing a sigh of relief to homeowners.
Because that was going to be another thing I was going to have to contract out to somebody to come pick up, so that's a good thing.
I'm happy they did that. I think that's the right thing to do. A lot of people around here are already going through enough, let alone worrying about having to haul off their belongings, you know, that got ruined.
Those living in southeast Oklahoma City have been cleaning up over the last 2 weeks, piling debris on the curb to be collected. Now it's getting picked up.
We've collected 30 tons, and we expect to collect around 3,000 just from this designated area. So that gives you an idea of how long this is going to take.
The first round of collection is expected to be finished by the first week of December. Then there will be a second round.
Our hope is that we're done by the end of January to get this completed in those people's areas where they're living, able to go back and start new again.
Homeowners say this is a step in the right direction to getting back to normalcy.
Honestly, for me, I think the sooner the better. The sooner we can drive through the neighborhood and it not look like freaking disaster, I think the faster we can all just move on with ourselves.
In southeast Oklahoma City, Sydney Batzlaff, Oklahoma's News 4.
All right, Sydney. Now, the city says our stories push them to expand their guidelines. The only items they can't pick up are hazardous materials and things containing Freon, like refrigerators, freezers, and air conditioners.